Pronoun. A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun or noun phrase. They are used to avoid repeating the same noun over and over again, making language more concise and easier to understand. Types of pronouns. Personal pronouns. These refer to specific people or things. They have different forms depending on person, first, second, third, number, singular, plural, gender, in some cases, and case, subjective, objective, possessive. Examples: I, you, he, she, it, we, they, me, him, her, us, them, mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, theirs. Possessive pronouns. These show ownership. Examples: mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, theirs. Note: these can sometimes be called possessive determiners when they precede a noun, e.g., my car, her book. The form without the noun is the true pronoun, e.g., that car is mine. Reflexive pronouns. These refer back to the subject of the sentence and usually end in self or selves. Examples: myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, themselves. They are used when the subject and object of a verb are the same, e.g., he hurt himself. Intensive pronouns. These also end in self or selves, but are used to emphasize a noun or pronoun already mentioned. They are not essential to the sentence's meaning, e.g., I myself saw it. Demonstrative pronouns. These point to specific things. Examples: this, that, these, those. Interrogative pronouns. These are used to ask questions. Examples: who, whom, whose, what, which. In relative pronouns, these introduce relative clauses, which give more information about a noun. Examples: who, whom, whose, which, that. Indefinite pronouns. These refer to non-specific people or things. Examples: everyone, somebody, anybody, nobody, something, anything, nothing, all, some, few, many, several, etc. It's important to understand the different types of pronouns and how they function to write and speak clearly and effectively.